I've been able to crack the top 1,000 in Skool Discovery in just 24 days. And in this video, I want to show you my exact strategy for how I grew that Skool community. But while everybody else is focusing on traffic, and that's obvious that you need traffic to grow a business, I'm actually going to answer Arya's question here, who dropped a comment on a recent video. And I'm going to tell you the 6 most important things that got me to top 1,000 while getting 115 new signups and $791 of MRR in just 24 days. So if you want to learn the simplest ways to make money online in 2026, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, because you're not going to want to miss another upload. All right, without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so for this video, instead of just giving you a bunch of theory or sitting in my kitchen or sitting in the vehicle talking about what I'm doing, I'm actually going to show you behind the scenes and give you specific examples from inside my community. So before we do that, let me just show you the proof here. Okay, this is our community. We've got 326 members, total monthly MRR right now, $1,654. Over the last 30 days, we've had 115 signups, 4.6 conversion rate, and 791 new dollars in MRR. But here's what's important, okay? You can see this community was actually launched on July 16th. And when I say launched, when I say a brand new community, let me give a little bit of a quick disclaimer here, because I already had members. And what happened was, if you go back and watch some of the other videos, I've talked about the whole reason for why I'm starting over, what I'm doing. So I'm not going to go too far into detail, but we stopped the community, we relaunched, we rebranded, we did all the things, and you could see we were getting no signups whatsoever. Community was basically dead. We were ranking like 8,000 in, or like 23,000, sorry, excuse me, in like Skool Discovery. And then July 16th is when we officially relaunched. So you can see we are now on August 10th. So about 24 days later, if my math is correct there, we're about 24 days later. And here we are with 115 new signups. We're getting tons of visitors. We got a good conversion percentage, and we're growing our monthly MRR. And as you can see, we are, wow, 952. Last I checked on this, I had the screenshot. It was like 980. So we are growing. We are ranking much faster in Skool Discovery. Okay. So without further ado, I want to answer this question that Arya asked. And when I responded to him, I told him that there were 6 main things that I was focusing on, right? So the first thing that in these 6, and this is probably the most important, this is going to be one of these videos where I say in 6 is the most important, and you have to stick around until the end of the video to get the good stuff, okay? We're just going to dive straight in getting new members. A quick win is hands down the most important thing that you can do. So here's what we're doing. Here's how we are delivering a quick win specifically inside of our community. And you can see it's with the way things are structured, right? We have a process that works. We had a gentleman actually this morning, I got to do this shout out, Steve. He got his first commission with the program. He's the 4th person now out of those first 115 that have joined that chose to promote the program and got a commission with the program. So we're delivering a quick win, and we put that win in front of everybody. Now, if you don't have a case study or a testimonial or a quick win to put in front of anybody immediately, here's what you do. Because we obviously, when we relaunched, we didn't have a testimonial of somebody getting a sale with the program because it was brand new. We had just relaunched it. So here's what you do. You welcome in your founding members, obviously with a welcome post, and then you get them to get started as fast as possible. And inside the community, the way we structure it is very simple and easy for people to follow. Literally, step 1, start here. It can't be any more straightforward than that. And what we do is start here. Okay, welcome people in, get them excited, all the things, keep the energy high so they're excited. Okay, step 2, getting the most out of this community, right? We literally start talking about how you're going to get the most out of the community, another short video to keep them going. And then here's what we do. We get them a quick win immediately. We talk about unlocking free gifts, getting your first win, additional things that they can earn through the process, which we're going to talk about that in a little bit, right? But then here's the key in all of this. They're fired up. They're excited. Your energy's high. They're ready to take action. Now we walk them through a roadmap, okay? A simple, rapid launch roadmap. And this is exactly designed to get people that quick win, because what are they going to do? They're going to get outside their comfort zone and they're simply going to invite 3 friends. Okay. They're going to invite 3 friends along on this journey with them. And guess what? When they invite 3 friends, they can actually get paid for that. So within the first couple of videos, we're priming them, we're delivering them something where they can actually go out and get paid immediately. And if you go back and you watch this video right here, Monica actually got her first commission following the rapid launch roadmap in 2.5 hours, simply by inviting somebody to come on the journey alongside her. Okay. So we focus on getting a quick win. Now, the second thing we focus on here is bonus trainings and resources that would normally be upsells, right? So when we think of a digital product and making money online, we think of somebody buying a product and then we have a series of other things that can help them and they all cost money. But instead, we've actually adopted a unique strategy. And when I was doing free communities back in 2025 into a paid community, this is something that worked really well. I've just adopted it now to my new low ticket community and treat it essentially like a free community. And here's what it looks like. If we actually go to the About You page and I view this as a non-member, if I go into the classroom section, you will see step 1 and step 2 are the only things that are available immediately to somebody, right? So what happens is at step 1, they go through the Start Here course, they start following the process, they get their quick win, and immediately 2 more resources are unlocked for them, the completion gift and the weekly coaching calls. Okay, so it gamifies the system. And even though it's a paid community, hey, guess what? You have all these bonuses now that you can earn. So this keeps retention high. It keeps people engaged. And most importantly, when people are engaged, they actually take the steps and get the results that are promised of the community. So we immediately, the Start Here course is unlocked and then the actual meat of the blueprint itself. Everything else can be earned through unlocking different things, including social media audits and one-on-one strategy sessions with me. Okay, so that's step 2. Step 1, we get members a quick win. Step 2, we introduce bonus trainings and resources to keep them motivated. Now, something else that we might test here, just a little side note, that other school communities are doing really well with right now is having retention unlocks, right? So rather than for reaching certain levels, they're testing locking it until 30 days. And then after 60 days, another course unlocks. And then after 90 days, more resources unlock. So that's a great way, but I am a big believer of only doing the things that I've done, right? And in 2025, when I had that free community that ranked number 7 on the entire school platform, engagement was incredibly high because there was so many incentives for people to engage, to stick around, to go through the process. So it's the same strategy that I've adopted here in 2026 when relaunching my community as a low ticket community. Okay. Step 3, we automate the DM that welcomes students in and invites them into a conversation. But if you go into the settings tab here of your community and you scroll down to plugins, you'll see Skool has a bunch of cool different features and different things that you could choose to use or not use. They're all here to help you no matter what stage of the game you're at. This stuff can help you. And this feature right here is what I'm talking about. We send an auto DM to every new member. So basically, it personalizes their first name. It says welcome. It uses the name of the group. Skool automatically populates that for you. So it's really cool. And then you can customize this complete message here. And you'll see down here, right? The DM gets sent randomly between 1 and 5 minutes after somebody enrolls in the community. So very simple feature, but what it does, it gives us an opportunity to, 1, make people feel supported right off the bat. Like, hey, I didn't just join some dead community or buy another course. This is an actually engaged community, and the person who told me to come here is welcoming me in. That's pretty cool. So we get them the quick win. We provide the different bonuses that they can unlock. We welcome people in. And then what this does, it also gives us a chance to have a conversation. So maybe there's somebody who comes in and they don't necessarily need modules 2 and 3. It gives us an opportunity to say, hey, go straight to module 4. Or guess what? I'm going to talk about the upsell process here in just a minute. If somebody's already primed and ready, they don't even need the beginner portion of the training. They're ready for the upsell. It gives us an opportunity to diagnose that and then make a recommendation or or have an opportunity to say, hey, well, here's what else we're doing. You might benefit from this more, and we can upsell them immediately, right? So engaging in conversation is number 3. Then number 4, we have a weekly Q&A session. And I mean, this is really simple and straight to the point. If we go out to the classroom here, you can see inside of our community, we've got the weekly coaching replays, right? As soon as somebody gets to level 2, that's their first quick win. They unlock replay access to these calls. If you go over to the calendar, you'll see every Wednesday, we have a weekly coaching session. Now, as a community owner, you may think, well, I don't want to do this. Well, I'm sorry, but like this is a cool benefit, especially with a low ticket community. It's a no brainer for people, right? Just show up once a month, or sorry, once a week, once every 2 weeks, maybe even once a month if that's what you want to do. But I would commit to once a week. This is a trend right now that works really, really well. You show up once a week, people find a ton of value in that. They stick around. They're more likely to go through the training. They're more likely to tell other people about your community, and they're more likely to actually get the results, increasing your retention, increasing your MRR all the way around. Okay. Number 5, we have a monthly live training. Okay. You don't see it on the calendar right now, but I'm actually in the process of creating our first monthly live training since we relaunched. But this is something that worked really well for me back in the day. Back in 2025, when I had the free community, we would do a monthly live workshop, and it gave me an opportunity to teach people in a live setting. It's essentially just a webinar. You teach people in a live setting, and then you naturally give them a pitch at the end that says, hey, here's where you can learn more about this, or hey, here's where you can get my support deeper on this, and you introduce them to your next offer. Okay, so monthly live trainings, and then upsell process into the next steps. Here's what this looks like. Okay, this is very simple. With our program here, we've got step 1, the Start Here course. Step 2, the actual blueprint itself. 7 modules, short, to the point of how all this works. Get them the result that they want. And then, okay, here's what we do. Here's our upsell process in action. We over deliver. We give them a bonus to accelerate their results, right? Here's a case study of how I generated 9,500 leads in 30 days from a dead Instagram account. I show them step by step how I did it. I break down the framework. I deliver a ton of value. Here's the key on this. Don't just turn it into a big old sales pitch. Okay. You have to still deliver a ton of value. And then the 1K accelerator or upsell is just the natural next steps. Hey, if you want more social media training like this, hey, if you want me to personally look at your business and dissect what's wrong, hey, if you want advanced education and more implementation, by the way, we have this accelerator you can join here. It's very, very natural. And then from there, they have the completion gift where, again, we continue to over deliver. We give them a launch kit, which includes our Instagram domination formula. This is actually a 40-page PDF guide that I sold 1,500 copies of, over 1,500 copies for $57, right? And then I give them some mistakes that cost me years because everybody finds value in that. Nobody wants to be told what to do. Tell me what to avoid. What did you mess up so that I don't make those same mistakes, right? We deliver that, and then we give them an execution plan and then a final thought. And guess what? In every single one of these videos, there's an opportunity to mention, oh, and by the way, if you haven't enrolled in the accelerator yet, here's another reason why you should, right? So it's a very natural upsell process. It's not high pressure. You don't have to do sales calls. You don't have to do anything like that. But everything that you build inside your Skool community, if you follow my process, is strategic and designed to get you to where you want to go. Okay, so that's today's video. Hopefully you found value in this video. If you are brand new around here and you watched all the way through, thank you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop any questions that you have. So just like Aria did, I can answer questions in real time on videos, show you behind the scenes, all those good things just like this. If you're interested in joining our 1K commission blueprint to see for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description. Join us inside. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a digital marketer, you're going to get a new perspective on how making money online in 2026 actually works, and it will help you. Okay? Appreciate you. Until next time.